Hello, this is Looking Forward for Physics 245 for Monday, the 1st of September, 2014. As you get ready for class for Monday, we're going to be concentrating on, we're going to be talking about, at some level, the probability of finding life that we could possibly communicate with or interact with. Now, we're going to find that depends upon the number of stars. Think for just a minute about why that would be. Why would stars be necessary for life? And therefore, why we want to consider the number of stars if we're going to try and consider the probability of finding life to communicate with. Now, as part of that, what I'm going to want you to do is a couple of small things. I'd like you to read something in the Curtis-Shapley debate. This has to do with whether or not our own galaxy is its own thing unto itself, or whether there are other galaxies within ours. Really gets down to the definition of what's a galaxy and what are they like and how are they relative to others. Don't need to read in detail about this, but just have an idea of what that looks like. Second of all, see if you can remember something about Newton's gravitation in orbits. If we're going to be trying to find out something about stars, is it possible for us to go to them? And if not, how is it we can use gravitation in orbits to tell us something about stars or objects that are being orbited? And then finally, remember something about the Doppler shift. If we're not going to be able to go to those stars, then how are we going to get information about their speeds so we can know something about their orbits and from gravitation know something about the stars in the first place? So, a little bit about Doppler shifts. That informs us about orbits. Orbits will inform us about the number of stars, which will eventually tell us something about the probability of finding life. This is Dr. Doty. See you Monday.